Aqara Temperature and Humidity Sensor. Aqara Temperature and Humidity Sensor monitors and records indoor temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure in real time. The current and historical data is displayed in the app. It can also trigger other smart accessories to automate your home. Remove the Installation tab. Open Aqara Home app. Tap Home and then tap Plus to enter Add Accessory page. Select Temperature and Humidity Sensor. If the hub makes voice prompts,
ready to connect to child devices.
long press the Reset button for 5 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release. When hearing the hub voice prompt,
Child device connected.
the accessory is successfully added to the network. After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Aqara Home app or in the Apple Home app. Single press the Reset button on the accessory at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Normal link confirmed.
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Method 1. Place it directly at the desired location. Method 2. Tear off the protective film and stick it on the desired location.
Prepare a new CR2032 cell battery. Peel off half of the adhesive tape and paste the device on the table. Turn the device counterclockwise by about 10 degrees. Pick up the device and then you can open the battery cover. Take the old CR2032 cell battery out of the battery compartment. Place the new one into the battery compartment with its positive electrode facing up. Align the battery cover with the bottom of the sensor. Turn the device clockwise by 10 degrees, and the battery replacement is completed.